Hello everyone, thanks for watching my previous video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share your comments. On my previous video I discussed alkane, which is the basic for hydrocarbon. If you want to understand any hydrocarbon, you have to understand the basics, which is alkane. So I'm going to link that in the description box below. For today I'll be discussing alkynes. Alkynes are unsaturated compounds. They contain double bond. So when you want to name it, that's the nomenclature, you must know the basics. So that's the previous video I released on my channel. So for today, the example I'm going to give will be on alkyne. So when you want to name an alkyne, that means double bond compound, you check the nearest to the double bond. The carbon that is nearest to the double bond is what you use and name the alkyne. It's unlike propane, you can name it anyhow. You look at the constituents. While alkyne, even when there is no constituent, you look at the nearest to the double bond to place your naming. So let's count the carbon. We have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we name this like otherwise, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the nearest to the carbon, to the double bond, is in between 2 and 3. So you take it like this. You take it like this. So it's going to be, how many carbon is there? 6 carbon. And when you have 6 carbon, it's called, 6 carbon is hexane. So where is now the double bond? This hexane indicates that there is a double bond. There is a double bond. So you have to tell us where the double bond is. The double bond is at where? At the second carbon. So it will be hexane, hex. Where is the double bond? 2 in. Another example I'll give is this. If you count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. You count likewise, 1, 2, 3, 4. The nearest to the double bond is at 1. So you, how many carbon is there? 4. And when you have 4 compound, it's butane. So where is the double bond? You tell us where the double bond is. Double bond is at the first carbon, so it will be but 1 in. When you have constituents, you also take that. When you have constituents, you take that into consideration. When you count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You count otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you first consider is the nearest to the double bond first. Nearest to the double bond, you take that first. Then also nearest to the constituent, which is also chlorine. So the nearest to the constituent is what? 2 chlorine, 2 chloro. Nearest to the double bond is 1, 2, 3. 3 ine. This ine means double bond. So when you have 6 carbon, is what? Hexane. So you have 2 chloro, because double bond is at the second carbon. 2 chloro. 2 chloro. How many carbon is there? 6. Hexane. Hex. Where is the double bond? 3. Hex. 3 in. Sorry, let me write it out so you can see it properly. You have 6 carbon, hex, abi. Then double bond is at what? 3. 3, abi. 3 double bond, 3 in. Then where is the chlorine? 2 carbon, abi. Carbon 2. So you join them together. You have 2 chloro, hex, 3 in. Let's take another example. take another example. First, where is the double bond? You check the next to double bond. 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you count likewise the chain 1 2 3 4 5, this is 6. So you pick the longest chain. 1 2 3 4 5. The longest chain is 6, has 6 carbon. That is hexene. Hexane abi. Then that's hexane. Then you pick the nearest to the constituent. That is at 3. And we have 1 to 2 carbon. When you have 2 carbon, that's C2H5 is ethyl. So where is the ethyl at 3rd carbon? So we have 3 ethyl hex 2. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share your comments. Bye bye.